Today I want to get in and talk about swing trading, particularly swing trading testnets. So let's get into it. So swing trading is a style of trading that attempts to capture short-term to medium-term gains. And this is over a period of a few days to several weeks. Now, a crucial thing that I want to mention here is before you get into the trade, you have to be honest with yourself up front, and you have to really, it helps to write down the potential gains that you would like to realize in this trade, as well as how long, or an idea of how long that you would like to hold on to this trade, because you don't want this short-term trade going into something that is a longer type of trade that goes into 6 months or whatever, because you could get into trouble and potentially get losses at that point. The swing trading with testnets is nothing new. They were actually doing it in the early days of crypto and so forth, and at that time it was more about the mainnets rather than the testnets. But that's aside. Right now what we're looking at is getting in and trading the testnets. I was actually introduced to trading testnets via JRNY Crypto or Journey Crypto, however you say his channel name. Introduced several of them, and I got in on several of them, and I've been very profitable over that time, and this is what really caused me to make this video. Currently I'm in a swing trade with QTUM coin, and I've been in this since the end of March, and I got in around $9, and it's currently above $15 for or unrealized profit of 60%. So this is part of the reason why I want to share this type of system and my success with this. Please know this is not financial advice, and your trades might be different from this of what I'm showing. So let's talk about the difference between the mainnet versus the testnet. So a testnet is used by programmers and developers to test and troubleshoot all the aspects and features of a blockchain network before they are sure the system is secure and ready for the mainnet launch. So it's essentially a sandbox where the programmers get in, make sure they have all the bugs out of the system before they bring it over to the mainnet. So the mainnet is the term used to describe when a blockchain protocol is fully developed and deployed. So at that point, the transactions are being broadcast, verified, and recorded over the blockchain. So at that point, it's a full-blown system. So what is the coin that we're interested in? And that coin is Frontier coin. So this coming Wednesday, I believe, April 14th, they will introduce their testnet. And you have a month and a half, approximately all the way until June 30th to hold this until the mainnet is launched. Now, once again, this is not financial advice. What I usually do is I get in before the testnet. So this being Sunday evening, you have up until Wednesday to get into this. So you have some time to get into this coin, and you have time to hold this coin, approximately a month and a half. They say a little bit earlier. So you have a month and a half to get in this coin and realize the gains that you want. And it really helps to mark down what the idea of what you want out of this project before you get into the coin. So this Frontier coin is available on KuCoin. And of course, you've seen the symbol here. It's kind of a brown symbol with an F. So you can come and match this with the KuCoin exchange. I will leave a referral link down below for the KuCoin exchange if you don't have KuCoin already. That link will help this channel and myself out. So feel free to use it. If not, no biggie. So you can see the price of this coin is $3.43 currently. It has ran up in the past few days. It was around $3, and actually when we had the market drop in the past week, it was all the way down to like $2.75 or even as low as $2.60. So some of the benefits of swing trading over day trading is you don't have to sit and watch the trade. meaning that you don't have to sit and watch the trade tick by tick. And trust me, that is very stressful process. You want to try to avoid that as much as possible. You don't have to worry about leverage or being, have a margin call at the end of your trade or being wiped out on your trade. And this is a lot less stress on the whole system. And you can also set a sell limit order way out into the future at the particular price that you want to sell at. So that sell limit order could be helping you while you go and conduct life. So it's very easy to get into this coin. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink the vocab here. You want to kind of get into the testnet, and all you have to do in order to get into this testnet is to buy the coin on KuCoin. I'm sure this Frontier coin might be on other exchanges, the decentralized apps and so forth, but I usually try to stick to these exchanges here. I just wanted to run this by you, get Frontier on your radar before the testnet occurs this Wednesday, so hopefully you can get in on this trade. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you later. Happy trading.